Instagram brings a new feature for its polling option in Stories. The new Instagram emoji slider rates the polls, and it features top emojis available in Instagram along with a sliding scale, like an on-screen volume slider. The new feature available for both Android and iOS users. To begin with the new emoji poll slider, simply launch Stories. Take a photo or use an existing one. Tap on the main sticker icon on the top right corner. You will see a large group of stickers and other features for Stories. The new emoji slider is found right below the #sign hashtag option. After tapping the slider, you can set a question and pick an emoji of your decision for the poll. The emoji's size increases as you look to the right on the even slider. How it works. Instagram explained, when you see an emoji slider in a story, simply drag the emoji to one side or right and watch it animate as you make your choice. Release the emoji to set your reaction and see the average of how others have reacted up until this point. The slider probably going to an immense hit among users. In the current technology news, its polling option is very popular among users. In recent months, Stories and its polling option used by businesses to engage with shoppers. Instagram Stories has turned into a mainstream include in the photo sharing program. Facebook recently announced that WhatsApp status, other Snapchat Stories-inspired features, had more than 450 million everyday dynamic client, assessed to be 260 million users than Snapchat's daily users.